Hi, this is Perry, the Hampton Network. How is everybody doing today? I want to show you this new software tool that I've actually been using for quite a while. This tool that's going to allow you to generate ebooks relatively quickly. It's actually a great tool for you to use in your affiliate marketing business, whether you're a beginner or whether you've been doing it for a while, because you may have asked yourself the question, now that I'm an affiliate marketer, what products do I have? Do I have any products I want to use for lead magnets, for my potential customers or leads? So this is one tool that's going to help you, generate those products, and that's primarily ebooks. So as you can see here on my home screen, these are my active Scribble products that I have. Your screen, if you decide to pick this product up, and I'll leave a link in the description below. But depending on which options of upgrades you actually pick up, your screen will look a little bit different from this, because I've picked up everything minus the auto job finder option. Didn't necessarily didn't think I needed that right now. So I kind of want to go over every tab here in the tool. So we'll go to the projects tab here. So this shows any projects that you may have. You can see I have a few of the freehand projects that I've actually created here. So another piece is the templates here. Kind of cover that real quick. Now, once again, depending on what you've actually picked up, your screen may look different. So I'm pretty much going to have all of the templates that you can actually think of. So it's a lot of beautiful templates. And if you want to, kind of view any of these, you can just kind of view, if you just want to view it here real quick, just to see what sample text, that they can have here to kind of give you an idea of what the book's going to look like. So you have access to hundreds and hundreds of templates. Also, if you picked up the Prime option, you're going to see the Prime Gallery has 75 templates. This is only if you pick it up. Otherwise, you won't see this. But the templates gallery is roughly 210 templates. And once again, this is going to determine, depending on what you actually picked up, if you decide to pick this up. Okay, so we went over Prime. Let's go over 3D covers. I'll also show you how to create a basic ebook and also a 3D cover. These are the 3D covers that I've already created. Also, there's an option here. Once again, if you decide to get that upgrade, I did a test here on the flip books. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this one. I just did this one real quick, just to kind of show you what it would look like if you generated a flip book. So it kind of shows you what it'll look like. Okay, that's another option if you decide to pick that up. The auto job finder, I won't cover that because I didn't pick that up. This option here for your agency, you can actually generate your clients. I haven't created any clients yet, but I'm certainly going to. This is going to manage every aspect of your clients as you start to sell your ebooks to your clients. This is an important module here, is the training. So if you decide to pick the product, you'll definitely want to go through all of these tutorials, and you got the master classes here. So once you pick it up, you can scroll down here. I'll let it load here. Okay, so you can scroll down, you see all the tutorials. So make sure, depending on what you procure, you'll want to go through and check out these tutorials. Okay, Scrundle. Now I'm going to do a separate video on Scrundle. Okay, this is also separate upgrade. You can actually sell your ebooks on the Scrundle website. So these are 4 of the books that I have on the Scrundle website. This manages your entire experience from start to finish, from the time you create your ebooks to the time you actually put them on the Scrundle website. So that's going to be a different video, but let's go back to Scribble real quick. Let's go back to home here. So I want to go over the project. Let's go ahead and just create just a simple project here. So we'll go ahead and create a new project. Okay. And let this load. It's not really slow. It's actually pretty quick once you get started. Okay. So let's go ahead and just use this template right here. Let's just use this one. We'll give it a name. We'll just call it affiliate marketing. Okay, let's just use that here. We'll go use the freehand editor and we'll click next. Then, well, there's several different ways you can create an ebook. I certainly won't go over all of these, but let's just start from an article collection that they have. We'll just go to affiliate marketing because our topic is affiliate marketing. Let's just select this one here. The 3 easiest ways for newbies to start affiliate marketing. You can also view the article if you want to. Let's just go ahead and click finish here. So I want to kind of keep this video short and simple as I can. So it's actually loading the content from the article, and it's automatically going to generate your ebook, and you'll get to see what it looks like here in just a second. It'll actually change the title and name to what you have. Okay, so as you can see, here's the article here. We're gonna, we can update this, so it's not perfect, but it's very easy to use and to modify stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this because we really don't need this Bible part here. Just delete that element. All you need is affiliate marketing. Right here for your name, let's go ahead and put your name here. Just type whatever your name is, you can just put that here. We'll go ahead and make that bold. You can tailor this, customize it however you need to. So I'm happy with the table of contents there. So let's go ahead and move some of these paragraphs up here. Let's move this up just to kind of make it look a little bit better here. You can also change this text whenever you want. Let's move this up. Okay, so that's fine. So now we have that done. Let's go ahead and save this. Okay, it says the data has been successfully saved. What we want to do now is go ahead and generate the ebook. Okay, use the legacy method for that option. You can use either one, but I like the legacy method. I found that one actually works better. So these are different options in terms of formats. Let's just do a PDF file. So we'll click that. As you can see, it's going to download it right there. Okay, once that's done, let's go take a look in our downloads folder here. And we'll see it right here. The ebook is right here. We'll open that up. And this is the PDF file. This is the ebook that we just created. We'll go ahead and hit the page down. We'll scroll down. You'll see your name here. We'll go ahead and page down right here. It automatically, you can click on the table of contents. This will be much bigger table of contents depending on which articles you select or how much content you have. Let's just click that. Automatically take you here. You can kind of see how we formatted it. Okay, now that's your ebook. Let's go ahead and close that out. Now what we want to do, you just click anywhere in this area here. Now we want to go ahead and save and exit. Okay, now that we exit, what we want to do now is create that 3D cover. I want to show you that real quick. And we want to generate or create a new 3D cover. We'll just name this affiliate marketing. Okay, we'll just name it that just for this example. We want to start from existing project because we already have an ebook. Let's save changes there. Okay, we want to use this one because it's the book we just created. Let's use that. Okay, it's loading. And also you really should use the Google Chrome browser. I've found that this works best with the Google Chrome browser. It works okay in Firefox, but I highly recommend Google Chrome. So now we have this. What we want to do is generate the 3D cover. So let's just click that. Here are your different options for the covers. You can do this spiral if you like. All these are 3D. Let's just choose this one here. It's book 2. Once you click on that, it's going to generate your 3D cover. Okay, here's your 3D cover. Now you want to download it. As you can see it downloaded here. Let's go ahead and go back to our downloads folder again. And it'll download in a portable network graphic file format, a PNG file. So once my photo editor opens, you can see what your ebook's going to look like with a transparent background. So it's actually very good, very nice ebook covers that you can use. So we'll click out of that. Close it. We'll go ahead and save this 3D cover. Okay, now we'll just go ahead and save and exit. And there you have it. So now that's how simple it is to create a ebook and a 3D cover. Now I only went over the introductory portions of this tool. it is a lot more advanced than what I showed you, and there's a lot more you can do with it. And like I said, the key piece here is you definitely will have to go over the training. It may take you 30 minutes to an hour, just kind of go over the training modules that may apply to you. But once you do that, you'll be able to generate, as many ebooks as you like. And the template gallery here is absolutely beautiful. It gives you a better start on creating an ebook. You can obviously go to Canva and create your ebook as well. But these templates are already nice, and everything is done for you for the most part. The only thing you will have to do, in full disclosure, you will have to do some basic editing, and you should do that anyway with your ebooks. So I'll go ahead and close it there. So if you like the video, if you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, share, click on the notification bell. I'll also leave a link to this tool down in the description if you want to pick it up. So if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I want to thank you for watching. Take care.